In this video, we will show you how to replace your front emblem on this Ford Ranger. This will be mounted directly to your front grille. Let's get into it. For removing the emblem, you want to carefully make your way along the back side of the grille here. Now in this area, you're going to find that you have 3 tabs. The center one is pretty much just a locating tab. The other 2 will have little locking rings on them. They're single-time use. Go ahead and remove those and dispose of them. Just get underneath this area here. There we are. Use a little bit of cleaner on the mounting surface here, and then we can continue on with our installation. Let's get ready for the installation of our brand new emblem. We'll take this and put it in position, aligning all 3 of our mounting tabs here in their corresponding areas and slide it in. Once you have that pressed into place, it's a good idea to have a new set of fasteners. We'll take these on the back side there and start each of them on. We're only screwing onto plastic here. We don't want to cause any damage, so we'll just make sure it's snug. Once you feel as though you have them tight, just double check to make sure it's completely secured to the grille of the vehicle. After that, go ahead and close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.